Welcome to today's video. My name is Rob and I'm going to show you how you can change or remove your background image. This is an image I shot and there is a way to get rid of it. You go to Start, Settings, then you go to Ease of Access. When you press that and you scroll down, it shows, let me resize the screen. It says show desktop image. When I turn that off, there is no image. Well, let's turn that on because there's another thing you can do. Close. Right mouse button. Personalize. Okay. There's a couple of things you can do. You have a picture. You can change the picture. You can make a slideshow. If you have a folder with images in it, like I have, you pick the folder. So you go to, in my case, Pictures, Desktop, choose this folder, and now I'm going to show you. Where is it? Here it is. This one you saw, that's currently on, and that one is the next. The picture is a slideshow and it's going to change every 30 minutes or 10 or whatever you want to do. You can even shuffle it and then it's just going to change. There's another thing. You can change it to a solid color. And now it's gone too. Well, not really, because it is just replaced by a solid color, black. If you do desktop replacement in video editing or that kind of stuff, you can also just change it to green. Or if you're a girl, you like pink, you can change it to pink. So there's plenty of options and possibilities. I'm going to change it back to my picture because I'm proud of my picture. And there it is. I hope you found this very useful. Please share, subscribe and like for more videos. So now I'm going to work on the next video. Thank you for now. Bye bye.